welcome back to everybody's favorite podcast. This is RU.
All right, guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on this 11.5-inch car display. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. So let's go and actually check it out. These are pretty handy. Like if you still have like a single in and you just want like a bigger display, this can definitely help out. You're not looking to upgrade the whole radio. It's a big display. Check this out. It's a very nice size display. Here's the back. You got the Type C, which is your power port for the backup camera. You have a micro SD card slot, and then an auxiliary. And then, like I said, it already comes with the base right there, so you can literally just put it up there. You get the cigarette lighter to Type C, the backup camera. Cool. And then this one's if you want to like install it onto the windshield, you can hook it up to here. User manual, an additional adhesive for this one, and then an auxiliary cord right here. So let's go ahead and actually take it to the car, power it on, and actually try it out. All right, and here we are turning it on for the first time. All right, so let's go and actually set it up. Screen is crazy. Oh yeah, that one's fine. Boom, we are in. So you can see it already comes with YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, pre-installed apps on there. All right, so I got it hooked up to the internet. So let's just go ahead and try out some of the apps. All right. Let's just put on a podcast. Just gonna hit play.
Seen a hammer that can do this. You'll never have to start a nail like this again.
So you can see it's got a built-in speaker.
Probably never seen a claw hammer that has one.
Hey,
everybody out there, and welcome back to everybody's favorite podcast. This is RU Garbage. Hey, yeah, it's our little show. We sit there with your favorite comedian, and we find.
So as you can see, super cool that you can just be watching YouTube on this large screen. We get out of here. Very good quality. Drop this. Let's see what else we have on here. So we'll go back home. Netflix. All right, here we are, logged in. I'll just play this one right here.
When you need longer lasting body pain relief, try Aleve. Just one.
My birth name is Colby Lopez, Colby Daniel Lopez, middle name. I have
The one thing that I did want to point out is you can see it is playing. If we hit this one, you can adjust the volume. Right here, you can adjust the brightness. So as you can see, very cool. Loading Netflix on here. All right, so now let's go ahead and actually hook up our phone to it and see how that works. All right, so I'm gonna use my iPhone. So I hit CarPlay, and then right down here on my phone, it has that exact same name. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect to it. Pair. So, and it's pairing the request. Boom, there we go. Connect. Should load here in a second. Does say it will take a little bit longer the first time you ever do it, but looks like it's ready to go. So let's test out some of the features on here. Do maps. As you can see, maps gets loaded. So super useful if you guys do any kind of like Uber Eats or DoorDash, or maybe you just travel a lot and you want to have a nice size display to see the map. This can come in very useful. Your music right here. Access your podcasts or just your playlists. Let's go back here. Your audiobooks. And in there. Podcasts. Let's play right here. So as you can see, access your favorite podcast right from the display. Don't have to be looking for your phone, just do it all right here. All right, so now let's test out the Apple AirPlay mode. So I'm just gonna follow those instructions there. So we'll go to the Wi-Fi. We're gonna go ahead and connect to that one, the AirPlay. AirPlay, and then I'm gonna input the password that it says. Hit next, and it's joining that network. All right, it says we're connected. So then you're gonna want to go ahead and bring down your screen. Usually do this one, hit smart screen. There it is. So now anything on my phone will display. Sorry for the glare, but anything on my phone will display on here. So it doesn't matter what it is. All right, so as you can see, I went ahead and loaded my Peacock account on here in case they don't have it on the App Store, which I'm sure they do, but at least for the sake that you could see that it'll just mirror whatever's on my phone. And then I just wanted to show some of the settings for the sound. So like I said, it does have the built-in speaker, which we've been using, Bluetooth, connected through FM or the auxiliary. So several different options that you can connect it to. You know, phone Bluetooth, transmit card to Bluetooth, reverse setting. It's got about 9 gigs free. Back. All right, now let's try out the backup camera. All right, and that is what the backup camera looks like. Super cool that it comes with that feature. Like I said, just it being on this larger display just definitely helps. So very, very good quality. Like I said, I do apologize for the glare, but as you can see, the quality is good on the backup camera as well.
So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But so if you guys are looking for a new smart screen display for your car, definitely come to this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.